welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Gita and I'm back with another video. So as you guys know from the title, today I'll be installing a wig from Vogue.beauty on Instagram. I have worn this wig before. This is just a reinstall and I decided to film it for you guys. So for today's install, I'll just be using my Ebin Wonder Lace Bond spray, adhesive spray. So you guys know I cut my hair and all that, and I've been having a hard time growing back my edges, so I decided to stay away from wig glues for a while. So I just use my spray now. This is the bomb. Like, if you are a beginner or whatever at wig laying, this is literally the bomb. And I've heard the black one is also very good. I'm yet to try it, but this is amazing and it is quite cheap. So this is the unit that I'll be installing. As I said, I've worn it before. I think this is like my third time reinstalling this wig, but it's been plugged and I just washed it actually, so that you can see the color of the lace doesn't really match, but this is good quality hair. It's very soft, very minimal shedding. I've had it for a while now and like that's literally it. Very bomb hair. So this is just a 13x4 frontal that I got, and yeah, like, and it's 22 inches actually, the stretch length. So yeah, very good hair, very soft, highly recommend. I'm going to leave the name somewhere on the screen so you guys can go follow the page. So without much talking, let's just start this video.